pig-tailed macaques. The family is teaching their youngest member what is good to eat, if they can find it. A wood rat. The rats are fast and good at hiding, but the family have worked out how to catch them. The rodents nest high in the palm trees, and the family have discovered that this is the place to find them. They flush them out of their hiding places. The alpha male watches from below as fleeing rats rain down around him. He picks them off one by one. Over 3,000 rats are caught by the macaques each year. An unexpected element in the diet of animals that are often thought of as vegetarians.